Hello everyone, this is Ali. I'm back at it. Now I know I did take a little bit time off, and the reason being because I was focusing on not only my education, but I was also working at a company. So I did take a little bit of my time, but it was for the best because I actually learned more about SEO, and I also learned about social media marketing. And as you guys can see by the title of this video is about SEO. So I'm going to teach you guys 7 key tactics where you guys could optimize your SEO. Now, it did say specifically for hair salons, but it's going to be for all service-based industries, also coaching business or any online. The reason why I'm specified to hair salons is because I helped out hair salons specifically. So that's why I'm going to go into this right now. Now, obviously, in this competitive world, it's really hard to optimize your websites and even your social media presence among the crowd. Like how can we get our customers enter to our salon, you know? And the power, it lies through SEO. Everything is all search engine optimization. Pretty much what that means is it optimize your online presence to improve your visibility to search engines like Google. So for hair salon, this ensures that anytime when someone searches any keywords such as haircut or keratin treatments or balayage or anything like that, their salon is going to pop up on the top three, and the chances of a customer clicking on one of the top three is about 90 to 100%. Yeah, and it's really beneficial to have SEO. So the first tactic is keyword research. So pretty much what keyword research is, anytime when someone searches, like I mentioned, any haircuts or anything, your salon is going to be one of the top three. My favorite one, what I like to do is, I know me personally, anytime I want to search for restaurants or anything, I'm like restaurants near Bay Ridge or, New York City, anything like that. That's my favorite one. So using your service and then using a location is one of my favorite ones. So you guys should be using that when you guys are running ads for your website in the key terms in the description, or you guys could use it as alt text. So anytime you guys post a picture, let's say it's for a restaurant or a hair salon, in the back of the alt text, so you guys could put in alt text your city name. Now, anytime when someone searches that city name and then the service for hair salons, your website is going to be one of the top ones because it literally says in your image, and what it does, it targets your image as one of the top ones. And the reason why it works is because the customer, he wrote hair salons near this city, and you literally wrote the same exact thing in your alt text. And also there's many tools where you guys could use and optimize it even further. My favorite one is SEM Rush. It does cost a little bit, but it's worth the money. Now going to the second one, now this is my favorite one, and the reason being is you guys could have all the SEO, you guys could have all text or anything, but let's say you have SEO ranked, and now a customer goes to your Instagram. He's like, let me check out their Facebook or their testimonials or anything, how their work is. And let's say if they go to your social media and they see 5, 6 posts a year later, do you really think that person's gonna come and book a service with you? No. I mean, the chances are really low. Now imagine they come to your social media presence, they see 3,000 posts, they see so many engagement, likes, comments, they see a lot of that stuff. Now, what are the chances of them booking? It's going to be higher because that's what content does. Now, you guys could do hair transformation, you guys could go on live webinars, anything you guys want to give value. It could be showing your expertise, like I mentioned, like transformations. Yeah, so there's many ways where you guys could show your salon's expertise. Another one which is really underrated, and I don't see a lot of people talking about it, I myself didn't even know about it, and is localizing your content. Let's say you live in a country somewhere not in the United States, and you want to target people in US. Your languages are different. The way you guys context things are different. So when you guys want to target different countries, different cities, you want to make sure that you guys are using the same language. And the way I do is you Google what are people saying in these countries, how they're using this, search blogs, look at different stuff and do your research. You make a plan and then you come across your copy. And now, especially nowadays, you guys have ChatGPT. You could say, hey, make this post localized in New York City, and boom. So use that to your advantage. Now, the fourth one is encourage engagement. What that is when viewers engage with your post by liking, commenting, or even subscribing to your channel. And the way how you guys could do that, there's many ways. You could reach out to your friends, you could reach out to your family, you could reach out to anyone you guys want, your followers, subscribers. You can even post on your story saying whoever likes, comment, and shares with a friend, they get to be a part of this challenge, or they could enter a giveaway. So there's so many ways where you guys could improve your visibility on social media and on YouTube as well. My favorite one that I have used is you make a post in Facebook groups and you say, hey, I made a free training, or if you want this document, comment XYZ. And then they comment, and then Facebook could see that your page is getting engagement. Now what they want to do is they want to take your post and give it to more people, show it to more people. And that's how you guys build your content. So the fifth way, it is a little bit hard collaborating with influencers, but it's the most leverage. Imagine you reach out to Obama. Obviously, you guys not gonna reach out to those people, but I'm just giving a scenario. Look at the amount of followers they have. They have like 10 million, 30 million, or even more, 100 million followers on their social media. Imagine the one post they make, they're gonna get thousands and millions of views just because of their social media presence. So a good way where you guys could do it, obviously for a cheaper cost as well, is you could reach out to people in your industry and you could say, hey, if you make a post or a story or anything like that, we can send you these type of stuff. You get a free service, or you come to our podcast. So whatever you guys do, make sure it's a great incentive where there's a no-brainer for the person to say no. The sixth tactic is optimizing thumbnails. Now it could be YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. It could be any type of social media. You could literally make a thumbnail, takes 5 minutes. ChatGPT maybe takes 2 minutes. You could have a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr. Those ones are a little bit better, obviously, but it does cost a little bit more money. If you do have the money, I would tell you, please spend that extra dollar to work on these thumbnails. Have a video have a videographer, have a video editor. When you have all these different when you have all these different things, it makes your life so easy, and it makes you want to make content because you have a team that you can rely on, that any type of post you make is gonna go viral. So you need to focus on these thumbnails. The first 3 seconds of the video and the thumbnail is what keeps the viewer to keep up and watch the whole video. Because nowadays people have a short attention span where they can't look on their phone for 2 seconds and read something. They're constantly just going up and down on social media, going through different apps and all that stuff. The seventh tactic, optimizing video titles and description, it goes hand in hand with optimizing your thumbnails because it gives a reason on why the person should click on your video. Some people are readers, some people are visual person. I know I'm more visual, so when I see a good visual, I'm like, okay, let me watch this. But I know some people, they read a caption or they read text, they're like, oh, nah, I have to read this. So make sure you guys do incorporate your target keywords naturally into your video titles and description. And make sure you do show whatever you said. Make sure you kind of give a glimpse in the first 5 seconds where it makes the viewer stay until the end. It could be 2 hours, 3 hours. That person will stay just because of the first 5 seconds, the thumbnail, and the way how you titled it in the description. So these are the main things where you guys should be focusing on. Now, I know these are super basic things, and you guys are like, Ali, I already know this stuff, so why are you not doing it? I mean, these stuff can be obvious to some people, but I know some people, they're like, I did not know that. And I know you guys are probably doing it, but you guys are not focusing on your keywords or your images, or you guys not giving 110% into your content, your thumbnails, and all different type of stuff of content, you guys need to be giving your all for it to even go viral, even get a certain amount of reach where you guys want to hit each week or each month. Now, my main takeaway between all this is you could have all the cool things, websites, thumbnails, collaborating with influencers and all that. But if you guys are not posting content consistently and high quality, it does not matter what website you have. You could be one of the best ones in the game, but if your content is not that good, you're not gonna grow your brand that fast, or your company, I mean, so you guys need to be focusing on all these type of stuff, but mainly focusing on your content. And another thing where you guys could be doing is, I know some people, they're like, oh, my ideal clients on only Instagram or only on Facebook. If you guys could repurpose your content, it's not going to take that much effort on your end. All you got to do is go to YouTube, make a 5-minute video or 2-minute video, post it on there. Then you go on Instagram, you post a clip of that. Same clip goes to Facebook. Same clip goes to TikTok. Not the same clip, but you need to make it contextual to the platform. So this is one meme I saw a couple years ago, and it kind of just reminded me of showing you guys this. Let me see, is the LinkedIn and Instagram meme. I believe it was something like this. Yeah, this is it. So it's something like this. So you guys could see on LinkedIn, she's like this. On Facebook, she's like this. On Instagram, she's like this. And on Tinder, she's like this. So it's the same person, but it's in different scenarios. So it should be the same thing when you guys are making content. Don't just make a post on Instagram and put it on LinkedIn, and then on Facebook, and then on YouTube. Every platform have their own type of viewers. So you guys need to be tailoring it around there. And the way how you guys could know what to post and where to post it is you could go on YouTube and Google and say how or where should I even post this, and you guys could look at different people in your niche and what they're doing. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoy this video about SEO. And if you guys want to see more content on social media, because I will be posting more now since I do have the experience and I could actually talk on what I did and what worked, please comment down below what you guys want to see. And all I ask in return is if you guys did find this video valuable, please share it with a friend or family or anyone you guys think that could benefit it. Also for salon and beauty owners, or it could be any service-based business owner that wants to get an idea of marketing and sales, I made a full 39-minute training on a website. So what I'll do is I'll put the link down below. There's no opt-in. You can watch it for free on a website. And if you guys want to get more information and more materials, you can just put your email so I can send that over to you. And as always, like, subscribe, and peace out.